Skinny Chris.
Good, y'all. We back with another video, and today, look at the waves, But no, it's Marry Kiss Kill Part 2, because I only got like 3 minutes of it. I want a full video dedicated to it. Probably some drip checks. First one of the day is me. Casual 4 out of 10. No, 2. It ain't nothing flashy. But y'all see y'all there. So we at school with it.
Hey, going home.
A Hall of Fame school nuisance just pulled the alarm.
Go home.
Go home.
Go home.
And we get to go home. Yes, sir, we get to go home early. Cause a school nuisance pulled the alarm, bro. How do you feel about this, Mr. Cock?
Man, I feel pretty good about it.
You feel,
know?
yeah.
Just leaving like what, 2 minutes early?
2 minutes early? Yeah. I love this
My
feeling.
moped's over there too. It's in the pipe
Oh, that
there.
was yours?
It's mine, yeah.
Oh,
That's my moped.
I was sitting there early. I was like, who moped is this? Who we here with today?
Baby G in the cut.
Baby G in the cut. All right, what's today's drip? 1 out of 10.
What you think?
What you think?
I think it's a whole 8, bro.
It's an 8? You think it's an 8?
Yeah, it's a whole 8.
Man, what the fuck is you talking about?
What the fuck was that?
I'm sorry, bro.
Motherfucker.
Not gonna lie.
Catch me tomorrow. though.
Above average, 5 to 6. 5.
Catch me tomorrow. though.
Catch you tomorrow. Kylan. What's the fit? 1 out of 10. What's the fit? 1 out of 10.
Ideal,
Bro, shut up. What's the
fuck up your video. Hey.
Shut up. I say that shit a 2 out of 10, bitch ass nigga. Ugly fucker.
Pull that shit, bro.
Oh, you said you pulled it? You said it was on accident. Damn, the camera can't even see you. God damn, let me get a better angle. Hold on. Let me get a better angle. Hey, bro, chill, bro. Pull up. Fit, show us. What you think it is?
Gotta pull the threes out.
What you think it is?
I give myself a
Them shoes crispy as fuck.
7.5.
7.5? You said 7.5?
I get that shit 6.5 actually.
6.5?
Yeah, 6.5.
You been wearing the same shit.
You won't go 30 with him though. You won't go 30 with him though. You won't go 30. Oh.
I didn't say I wanted to be in it, motherfucker.
What?
I look like a bum right now, so don't pay attention. But this like a chill day, you know. Pink and then the Crocs, you know. They're a little dirty because these my work Crocs. Come on, add me on the snap.
No.
Came up too high.
Khalil fighting girls? Khalil gun fighting girls?
What people say?
Woo!
Back in the group chat.
Okay.
Right, Big Mo.
You said, when was that, today?
No.
I'll give that shit a 7 out of 10.
What if I? Oh, you recorded for real?
Yeah. Do it.
Oh wait, signal somebody.
So here, boy, it is MTM, you know what I'm saying? What the fuck is going on, you know what I'm saying? We a minute today. And right now, we finna go to Ms. Jones, ask her some questions real quick. Let's go, man. Let's ask you some questions.
What's the question?
All right. How tall are you?
I'm
5 feet.
10.
She's 4'12".
I'm 5'4".
5'4". Okay. So, do you love your job?
This Jones say fuck this job.
Whoa.
It's enjoyable on day. Today was a day.
So, what do you? All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, how was that fight? Oh, I said too much. Let's end this video.
What's good with y'all today, man?
What's happening,
What's happening? Show it. What you think your fit is? 1 out of 10.
Trying to be like you.
No, I'm not.
8 out of 10? Hey, what y'all think about this shit? 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10, I give my boys a 7.
Okay. Oh, now we got
bullshit.
we got Mr. Cartier. Mr. Cartier.
10.
10. How y'all think his fit is?
No bullshit, this a 10.
10. What you think it is?
Man, the Cardi's out of telling you.
Yeah.
I'm telling.
Yeah. Look at Khalil. Hey, look at Khalil.
A cool 6.5.
6.5. Okay. Asia.
Okay, that's a 10.
That's a 10. That's a 10.
That's a 0.
Money. What about money?
Money? I give you cooling today. I give you a 5 cup.
Fuck, cause he cooling. All right, record.
Come over here.
No, me for me.
Background. Okay.
What y'all thinking?
I'm thinking a good 4.5, 6, maybe.
It's just casual, you know what I'm saying? Casual shit, you know what I mean? Casual shit.
Happy birthday, Tiani. Thank you. Yeah, happy nice birthday.
Right her.
No, I'm a 0 today.
You're zero. Zero today.
God, wait, no, bro, why you record?
Do the dance. Money, hit that.
That's the only dance she know.
Hit that, money. You're not going low. You're not going low.
Pussy, y'all forgot who the fuck I was.
What the fuck is she doing?
Who was that?
Pussy, y'all forgot who the fuck I was.
Oh, Ray Kaden.
I give Kaden.
Gay.
Oh my
Bro,
God.
you fucked it up in the video.
What you gonna do? He want to fight you right now. What you gonna do? Well, he just squared up too. On Folksnum. He just said on Folksnum.
You don't rush, bro. How you stand it? My fault.
Hey, money. 200 for the fight right now.
Beat his ass.
200 for the
I
fight.
wanted 200 for the fight, bro.
Oh God, he bet him 200 for the fight. He been ducking. All he wanted is flex for the vlog. He backing up. He just bumped into James. Not James. Whoop his ass. He whoop his ass.
Get to be some fight motherfuckers up in here. What's
Yeah, okay. Mario, I'm trying to whoop his ass. What you talking about?
I was begging folks to fight.
Oh, hey, wasn't he begging to fight you too?
Bro,
Hold on, no, why you backing up? I'm trying to get the angles right. Why you backing up?
bro, I'll bring Marquise out here. Please. Marquise, beat your ass, boy.
What you do with y'all on?
Yo ass.
What the fuck you want to do?
Oh, this is a thumbnail right here. Get on. Thumbnail. Oh yeah, thumbnail. Yeah, thumbnail. Okay, explain.
I was playing a video on TikTok, right? It was like a Fortnite dance, right? Where like the nigga doing this, right? Boom. Right? He said, I wonder why that dance is so hard because he's hard.
Excuse me.
No, you didn't hear the
Explain
lyrics.
yourself.
It was the lyrics. That's what I was
Explain
talking about.
yourself, sir. Please explain.
The nigga literally.
And say he had dildo.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
And toys.
Whoa. What's good, y'all? Reason I got this headband on, cause I'm finna go hoop with the kids in the neighborhood, and I don't like sweat getting in my eyes, but I didn't really have a good day today. I hope things get better. And yeah, the video wasn't really as good, I know. I wasn't really in the mood, and I tried my best to just film and stuff, and I promised y'all I was gonna get a vid out today. But I love y'all for real, man. If you're watching this part, I want you to put pineapples. You know what I'm saying? Pineapples. But yeah, we on the way to 130 subs, 140, 150, that range. I'm truly blessed to have this much subscribers. I really thought nobody was gonna mess with me. I ain't gonna lie. I really thought nobody was gonna mess with me. But with that being said, I love y'all. Hope y'all have a good day. And shout out Tiani. Happy birthday. Wish you the truly best. And you know your boy's out here.